Hello there, welcome to this brand new video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money from YouTube 2020 step by step. This is a complete tutorial that will show you how you can start a very profitable business from scratch without investing any money. You can start this strategy with $0, and the best of all is that it's completely beginner friendly. In other words, this requires no previous experience, and if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a very special bonus that will allow you to make even more money the fastest way possible with the same making money online strategy. Warning: the results are not typical. You must do this at your own risk. It all depends on how much work you put into it. This method has huge potential, so it might change your life as it has done for other people, or it might just not. So be careful when working with this strategy. This is a great opportunity to make money online, but like everything in life, you have to make a choice. One is that you follow every step explained in this video all the way to the end to have all of the required knowledge to then go out there and take action to start making money and finally live the life you want. The kind of money that will take you to any place in the world you like to visit, and be able to spend more time with the people you love and buy all the things you want to have and any other thing that only financial freedom can give. So this is option number one. Now, the second option is to watch this video or just some part of it to never take action thinking it's too hard or it doesn't work when you haven't even tried, to then just going back to your regular life that will forever remain the same, which I really hope it is not your case. So it's all up to you. With that being said, let's start with the action right now. Watch every second of this video to see how other people are doing this and how much money they are making. Also watch this video to learn how to earn passive income on YouTube without showing your face nor filming any video. And if you keep watching this video, you will learn how to copy and paste free media resources for your videos, and you will also learn the step-by-step to implement this strategy. And you will also learn where to get free tools to help make this process easier and faster. If you stay till the end of this video, I will teach you how you can earn money without the ads revenue so you can start getting paid with 0 YouTube subscribers. So first, here's an example of a regular person that's doing this successfully, and this is just one of many channels that I found. And what's so great and amazing about these kinds of channels is that they are just uploading videos with the stock videos in the background of these videos. And with the strategy that I'm about to show you, you will learn where to get those stock videos completely for free without any legal issue, without any strike, without any demonetization problem. So you can start earning what these people are earning. These kinds of channels that are actually a really long-term business that will over time be giving you really huge amount of passive income. So let's see, this channel has over 900,000 subscribers. And if you search it up on Social Blade, you can see that this channel is earning between $1,500 and $24,300. Now, the closest estimate is right between the middle of those two values. So the owner of this channel is really making around $12,000 every single month. And for the last 30 days, this channel got over 6 million views. And this is not the only channel that's doing this, so take a look at this. We have here Soothing Relaxation, and this channel is getting around the 5 million subscribers. And you can see that these are the same type of videos that the other channel is making. So for example, let's take a look at this video. Was uploaded just 1 week ago and it already has over 54,000 views. So let's take a closer look at what this video has inside. Now you see that all this video is just a stock footage video of some branch of a tree while it's raining, and it has some background music on it. So you can hear the music, some soothing, relaxing music. And that's all there is to it. So they just loop the same sound over and over again with exactly the same video footage. And this is basically what they do on every single video. Now, if we want to take a look at how much money this channel is making, it says, according to Social Blade, it's in between $15,000 and $245,000 monthly. And as I said before, a more accurate amount will be between these two values. So it is actually over $120,000 every single month. And here is another channel called Great Meditation with over 200,000 subscribers, and it's uploading the same kind of videos with just stock footage of some great nature sceneries, relaxing sceneries with relaxing background music. Now these are just some of the channels that I wanted to show you, but there are many more doing the exact same thing and making tons of money every single month. Now in order to have ads on your videos and get ad revenue, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But if you don't have those numbers, it is just fine, because in this video I will show you how you can earn a lot more money without the ad revenue, and you will also learn how you can get approved for monetization. In other words, how you can get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in less than a month, so you can also make money from ads running on your videos. Now, something very important that you must bear in mind when doing this method is that you should only be putting ads at the beginning and at the end of the video, nothing in between the video, so you don't interfere with the viewing experience. So just place the ads only at the beginning and at the end of every single video. And still, as you have seen before, you're going to be making tons and tons of money from all of the videos. And now you will learn how you can earn that kind of money with this simple step-by-step. And real quick, before we get into this mini tutorial, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up to help out with the YouTube algorithm. So step number 1 is going to be finding the copyright-free stock videos you will be using inside your video. And the best online website to get them is pexels.com. So this is one of the biggest media sources where you can come and find really great high quality stock videos and images that are completely copyright-free and that you can use without any copyright strike. So you can come into the search bar and type in different keywords, like for example, nature. If you want a video on nature, and remember to click on this button that says videos to get only the video footage. And you can see that we got over 3,000 really cool nature videos that you can use in your relaxation video. So for example, if you like this one, you can just click on this download icon and it will automatically download to your computer. So we have one video, so let's find more videos that we would like to use in our relaxation video. And let's get this clip, it's really good. I see a lot of viral videos with the same kind of footage. So you can repeat this process over and over again and get all of the footage that you like. For example, here's another one I like, so I just click on the download button to get this video directly downloaded into my computer. So here we're done with the step number 1, which was finding the copyright-free video clips that we're going to use in our video. Now we jump into step number 2, which is finding copyright-free music that is going to go in the background of our video. And to get that, all you have to do is come to your best business partner, Google, and search for YouTube Audio Library. Now click on the first search result that you got from Google. And this will take you directly to the official YouTube audio library, and all of this music and sound effects are completely free for you to use, and you will never get any copyright strike or any legal issue if you use this music inside your videos, because it's directly provided by YouTube, and you can monetize all of your videos without any issue. And you have all of these different filters that you can choose from, so you can search for the exact kind of music that you want. For example, we can select on mood, calm, and on gender, ambient, and this gives us the perfect music that we can use on a relaxation video compilation. And to preview the song, you can simply click on the play icon button. Now you can jump start ahead of the video track to see if it's something that you like. And as you can see right here, it says you're free to use this song in any of your videos. Now, when you find something that you like, you can simply click on this download button and it will download this audio directly into your computer. Now you can keep on searching for different audio files that you really like and that you want to put inside of your videos. And again, when you find something that you like, you simply click on the download button and you will get that directly stored inside your computer. And with this, we have completed step number 2, which was finding the copyright-free songs that we're going to use in the background of our video. So for step number 3, you need to join the copyright-free clips with the copyright-free music you just got. So to do this, if you have a Mac, you can use the iMovie software that comes with every Mac, which is just really easy to use. And you can also get the completely free video editor called OpenShot at openshot.org. And you can download this into your computer, even if it's a Macintosh or a Windows computer, for completely free, and it's really easy and basic to use. And another even simpler software that you can use that is even just cloud-based and you don't have to download it into your computer, it's called Clidio, and you can use it at clidio.com. So you can select from all of these video tools to start creating your compilation video. So for these kinds of videos, we're going to be using the video maker. So now it will ask you to choose the files from your computer, and those are the video, or if you want to use pictures and music files that we just downloaded for our relaxation video. So you can click here to choose the files. Now we just select the files that we just downloaded, click on open, and Clidio is going to start uploading all of those files into their online software. And this is just going to take a couple of minutes. Now once all of the files are done uploading, you will land on this page and you will see you have the free copyright videos that you downloaded and also the free MP3 song that's going to go in the background of the video. Now the next thing that you need to do is select from crop options the zoom and crop option, and that's just going to perfectly fit the entire video. Now to make this video 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours long, all you gotta do is repeat the same video footage over and over again until you up all the time that you need. Now if you want to preview the video, you just click on the play button. Now as you can see, it's looking really cool, and once you're done with it, you can just come to this create button to download the final result. So Clidio.com right now is creating your video, and once it's done, you'll be able to download it directly and completely for free to your computer. And then this is the file that you will upload to your YouTube channel. And that way you will complete the step number 3, that was just joining all of the free media files that you freely downloaded. And now the fourth step is the most important and interesting one, because here is where you will learn how to start making money with these videos. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Okay, so as I mentioned before, one of the ways to make money from these videos is from Google AdSense, but you will first need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So another great way to make money with the same videos, and this means even more money than what you can make with ads, is with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you don't have to wait to get any number of subscribers nor wait to have any amount of watch time. You can start right away and begin earning commission money fast. And all you will need to do is put the affiliate link on the top of the description of each one of your videos so everyone that watches your videos can see it. Now, one of the best places where you can get your affiliate link is ClickBank. ClickBank is the biggest marketplace online, and you can find different categories from which you can select the product you want to promote. Now, since you will be making relaxation videos, the best category would be spiritual, new age, and alternative beliefs. So for this category, you get 171 products that you can choose from to promote inside of your videos. So this is in average what you'll get per sale of each one of these products. And if you want to see what the product is about, you can just click on this link, and this will take you to the product sales page. And if you like the product and you want to promote it, you can just come back to ClickBank and click on promote and click on generate hub links, and this will be the link that you're going to be using to promote this product. You can click here to copy the link, and I suggest that you make this long, really confusing link a little bit nicer, and you can do that by going to bit.ly.com, which is a URL shortener. Now you can just scroll down here and paste the long, ugly link and have it shortened. And here you have a nicer short link. And this is the one that you can copy and paste in each and every one of your videos to start making some commission money. And for this example product, you will be making an average $34.46. Now you know these relaxation videos get millions and millions of views, but let's just say that one of your videos only gets 100,000 views, and that means 100,000 people saw it, and let's say that only a 0.1% of these people, which means just 100 of them, actually buy the product that you're promoting through your affiliate link, which is over $34. So let's bring out the calculator and we say that 100 people buy your $34 product. So you multiply this number and you could be earning over $3,400 from that, and of course the more videos you upload, the more money you can make. And all you need to do is put your affiliate link on the top of every and each one of your videos to make money with it. So as you can see, with this method you will not only be making lots and lots of money from the ad revenue, but you will also be making 2 or 3 times more money with affiliate marketing. And you can join many other affiliate networks, and it's completely free to join. You can create a free account on ClickBank or many other affiliate networks, and you can promote different kinds of relaxing products or relaxing services in your videos and start making money on autopilot. And this will mean that you will have different sources of passive income. And if you want to learn more ways in which you can make money with affiliate marketing, then click and watch this next video to discover how to earn money with ClickBank without any investment. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.